Hello everyone, and my name is Meet, and today we are going to be looking at a VI converter using an op-amp OP07. So there are two types of VI converter, one which has a floating load and one which has a grounded load. So the difference between the grounded load and the floating load is that in the grounded load, the load resistance RL is in the grounded load, the load resistance RL is connected to ground, and in floating load the load resistance is not connected to ground. So that is the basic difference between grounded and floating load. So before we start simulating, we will first look at the voltage compliance rule, that is the ISA range. So V out, our V out should be between Vsat minus Vin and Vsat plus Vin. So for our circuit, the input voltage Vin is between 1 volt and 5 volt. The IL is between 4 milliamperes and 20 milliamperes, and the VSAT we consider as 15 volts. So according to this formula, Vout should be between 10 volts and 20 volts. So now we use this formula, and if we rearrange the formula, we get RL should be less than 450 ohms. So this means that our load resistance should be of a value less than 450 ohms, and for us to get the desired output. And if it is more than 450 volts, then we get a very low value of current. And our R1 should be R1 we take it as 250 ohms. So yeah, let's start the simulation then. Now we shall simulate for the floating load. So the voltage will be 1. Um, we'll give the operate edit simulation command. We'll choose operating point and press OK. Now we'll run the circuit. We want the value for current at RL. So we'll click here. So it gives us voltage. So to change it to current, we'll right click over here, um, delete this dollar sign and select IRL over here. It's OK. So we get 4.001 milliamperes, which is very close to 4 milliamperes, which was our desired output for 1 volt of input. So now we change it to 5 volts and we run the circuit again. Close this. And so it gives us 20.007946 milliamperes, which is very close to 20 milliamperes, which was our desired output. So yeah, so this means that our circuit is in working condition. Now we change the resistance from 250 ohms to 2 kilo ohms. Yeah, and we keep the voltage as 5 only. We'll run the circuit and we get current as 5.999, which is approximately 6 milliamperes, which is very low value of current. So that is because we increase the resistance over here. Now if we change to 1, we get 4.015. Yeah. So now we go to grounded load. We'll just simulate, edit simulation command, operating point. Okay. Now we run the circuit for 1 volt. The load resistance is 250 ohms. We'll close this and we'll place a pointer over here. It gives us in voltage, so right click, delete the dollar sign, select IRL and press OK. So we get 3.999, which is very close to 4 milliamperes, which was expected. And we'll change it to 5 volts. We'll run again, close this, and we get 19.439 milliamperes, which is again very close, not very close, but it is close to 20 milliamperes, which was our desired output. But if we were to change the value of load resistance RL from 250 to 2 kilo ohms, we see that we get a very low low current like 3.89 milliamperes because we increased the resistance and it has increased it has been greater than 450 ohms. Yeah, that is the voltage compliance rule. I hope this was informative. Thank you.